Well, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ 5 marks problems, very important type problems. One of the questions will be definitely there in the examination for you people, and we are discussing about those problems, very important problems. Okay, shall I take one by one? ಮೊದಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So what is the given thing, right? Given y is equal to a into sin x plus b into cos x. This is the problem which is given to you. Differentiating this function with respect to x. Differentiate. What is your y? Differentiation of y is dy by dx is equal to a into. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x plus b into. What is the differentiation of cos x? Is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Rearrange ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. dy by dx is equal to a into cos x minus b into sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Differentiating again with respect to x. Again with respect to x. ಮತ್ತೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. What is the differentiation of dy by dx? Is d square y by dx square is equal to d square y by dx square is equal to a into. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Constant ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Minus b times of. What is the differentiation of sin x? Is cos x. I will simplify this further. d square y by dx square is equal to. Shall I take ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ minus sign common ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Then write the remaining term. a into sin x minus sign common ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ರೆ plus b into cos x is the remaining term. Got it? So which is nothing but minus a sin x plus b cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is the value of y. ಅದು y ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ, I am resubstituting the value of a sin x plus b cos x, which is nothing but the value of y. y ಆಗಿದೆ. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Replace y LHS ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you are going to get the final answer. So d square y by dx square minus y LHS ಬಂದಾಗ plus y should be is equal to 0. That's all. A simple problem, very simple problem. It's a general problem. Doctor, whatever might be the coefficient of sin x and cos x. Sin x ಮತ್ತು cos x coefficients ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರಲಿ, this equation is valid for you. And you should remember, it is one important aspect for any competitive examinations. If the problem seems to be in the form of sin x plus cos x with any number of coefficients, then definitely this equation will be satisfied. d square y by dx square plus y should be is equal to 0. I will take one general example here now. The example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂತದ್ದು. Like to look at this one, right? So first, let us try to write what is the given problem. Right? Y is equal to 5 times of cos x minus 3 times of sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x is the given problem. Differentiate this function with respect to x. Differentiate the function with respect to x. What will happen now? dy by dx is equal to 5 times of differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus 3 times of. What is the differentiation of sin x? Is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Different stage ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Like to simplify one more stage, no problem. Minus 5 sin x ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, minus 3 cos x ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay? Differentiate this function again with respect to x. ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. So now dy by dx will become d square y by dx square. Successive differentiation. ಮತ್ತೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ minus 5 is the constant, keep that as it is. What is differentiation of sin x? Is cos x. Minus 3 is constant. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Resimplify the problem. ಮತ್ತೆ resimplification ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. d square y by dx square is equal to minus 5 times of cos x minus of minus plus 3 sin x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Shall take minus as a common factor. ಮತ್ತೆ minus n common ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. d square y by dx square is equal to minus n common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ this will becomes 5 cos x minus 3 sin x ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? minus n common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 5 cos x minus into plus minus 3 sin x. Now look at this problem. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. This is the value of y. Y ಆಗಿದೆ. Therefore, d square y by dx square. Therefore, d square y by dx square should be is equal to minus y. Minus y. Got it? Y ಆಗಿದೆ. That is the value of 5 cos x minus 3 sin x value. Write that minus y to the LHS, you are going to get the final equation. That's all. Therefore, d square y by dx square plus y should be is equal to 0. That's all. Okay? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎರಡೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ. And keep practice these two problems. So ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ just I am differentiating both the equations twice. ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. minus n common ತೆಗೆದಕ್ಕೆ y ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Write that value to the LHS. You are going to get the final answer. d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? Shall look for one few more problems. Write down this first. Now, we shall look at one more important problem. Another important problem. I will read the problem. If y is equal to a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of nx, then I want to prove the equation d square y by dx square minus m plus n times of dy by dx plus m n times of y is equal to 0 ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡೋಣ. Important problem. Another very important problem. Look at the procedure of differentiation now. First, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation ಬರೀರಿ. What is given? Y should be is equal to a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of nx. Differentiate this equation twice to get dy by dx ಬರೀರಿ. d square y by dx square ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, then substitute in this equation. You are going to get the final answer. That's all. Shall I get this? Differentiating with respect to x. So what will be the first differentiation? dy by dx is equal to a constant and differentiation of e to the power of mx is m e to the power of mx. Correct? Plus b constant and differentiation of e to the power of nx n e to the power of nx. Okay? Differentiating again with respect to x. Innocent differentiate. What will happen to this successive differentiation? d square y by dx square is equal to a constant, m constant ಇರ್ತದೆ. What is differentiation of e to the power of mx? m e to the power of mx plus b and n are the constant, keep them as it is. Differentiation of e to the power of nx is n e to the power of nx. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So d square y by dx square should be is equal to a into m into m ಶಬಾ m square e to the power of mx plus b into n ಅಂದ್ರೆ n square e to the power of nx. We call this will be the equation 1 and this will be the equation 2. So I am finding dy by dx and d square y by dx square. Calculate. So dy by dx square is a e to the power of mx, b e to the power of mx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ am constant e to the power of mx ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ m e to the power of mx, bn constant e to the power of nx ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ n e to the power of nx. Simplify those two things, right? Now, what is the given equation? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So what is given? LHS ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? d square y by dx square minus of m plus n into dy by dx plus m into n times of y. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು equation. I want to show that the result of this equation will be 0. Substitute ಮಾಡಲಾ? What is d square y by dx square? From equation 2 is d square y by dx square ಬರಲ್ಲ a into m square e to the power of mx plus b into n square e to the power of mx minus of m plus n times of dy by dx. Equation 1 a into m into e to the power of mx plus b into n into e to the power of nx plus m n times of y. What is the value of y? a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of mx. This is the equation. So I am substituting d square y by dx square, dy by dx and y. ಮೂರು values ನ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Now multiply and simplify. ಮೊದಲನೇ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ? a m square e to the power of mx ಅದೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b n square e to the power of nx ಅದು ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರೋದು? minus into plus minus m into a into m into m square e to the power of mx. First m ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Next minus into plus minus m into b m n e to the power of nx. Okay, then I put to multiply two more terms in the return multiply minus into plus minus n into a into m into n a into m into n e to the power of mx. So first m ಇಂದ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ n ಇಂದ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎರಡನೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. minus into plus minus into plus minus n into b into n into n square e to the power of nx. That's the remaining term. I'll repeat it once again. First term ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. minus m ಇಂದ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, minus a into m square e to the power of mx minus b into mn e to the power of nx ಮತ್ತೆ n ಇಂದ minus a into mn e to the power of mx minus b into n square e to the power of nx. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ m n ಇಂದ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. a into mn e to the power of mx. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? a into mn e to the power of mx plus into plus b into mn e to the power of nx. b into mn e to the power of nx. That's all. So now I multiplied all the four terms. 4 terms na multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಮ್ ಇಂದ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ, ಎನ್ ಇಂದ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ there is a minus b n square into the power of nx cancel. Okay, what the term minus b mn into the power of nx plus b mn into the power of nx cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct? Minus a into mn into the power of mx plus a into mn into the power of nx cancel ಆಯಿತು. Then what is your remaining term? This will be 0. 0. That's all the required answer. That's the required answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ನೌ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 and 2. Substitute dy by dx and d square y by dx square in the equation. Multiply by m, multiply by n, multiply mn to y. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and you are going to get the final answer. That's all. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು those things now. So last problem ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, similar to that we have got ಒಂದು numerical value ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. I will solve that. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ observe ಮಾಡಿ, you will get clear idea. What is the given equation now? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? y is equal to 3 into e to the power of 2x plus 2 into e to the power of 3x. This is the given equation now. Let me to differentiate the equation with respect to x. So what will happen to dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to 3 into e to the power of 2x ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 2 e to the power of 2x plus 2 into, what is the differentiation of e to the power of 3x? 3 e to the power of 3x. Simplify this. Simplify. Your dy by dx is equal to 3 to the 6 e to the power of 2x plus 2 3 is 6 e to the power of 3x. Correct? Shall I simplify further? Simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ now differentiating again with respect to x. Again with respect to x. What will happen to the successive differentiation? d square y by dx square is equal to 6 times of e to the power of 2x ke 2 e to the power of 2x plus 6 times of e to the power of 3x ke 3 e to the power of 3x. So simplification ಮಾಡಿ 6 to the 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x. Because this will be equation 2 and this will be equation 1. So I am finding dy by dx and as well as d square y by dx square ಎರಡೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನು? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್? d square y by dx square minus 5 times of dy by dx plus 6 times of y. This is the LHS given. So now substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you should get as a 0. Okay? So what is d square y by dx square? Here is the equation. 12 into e to the power of 2x plus 18 into e to the power of 3x minus 5 times of, what is it? dy by dx 6 into e to the power of 2x plus 6 into e to the power of 3x plus 6 times of y plus 6 times of, what is the value of y given? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. This is the value of y. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Shall I multiply second one now? Minus into plus, minus 5 6 are 30 e to the power of 2x. Minus into plus, minus 5 6 are 30 e to the power of 3x. Next to multiply matter. Plus 6 3s are 18 e to the power of 2x. Plus into plus, plus 6 2s are 12 e to the power of 3x. So just I want to simplify the terms e to the power of 2x and e to the power of 3x terms simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ e to the power of 2x ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, e to the power of 3x ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. e to the power of 2x ಏನಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್. Shall I write those things first? First ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಲ ಅದನ್ನ. 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 2x becomes 30 e to the power of 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. minus 30 e to the power of 2x as it is okay. Change ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay? Then look at the next terms. Here there is one 18 e to the power of 3x, 12 e to the power of 3x, 30 e to the power of 3x okay. Shall I simplify those three? Notice plus 18 e to the power of 3x plus 12 e to the power of 3x will become plus 30 e to the power of 3x. Which is the remaining term? Here there is one minus 30 e to the power of 3x is the remaining term. Alright? Got it? So then further simplification is very simple. 30 e to the power of 2x, 30 e to the power of 2x cancel. 30 e to the power of 3x, 30 e to the power of 3x cancel. So no doubt we are going to get a 0 which will be your RHS. Right? So this is what the problems will looks like, a very simple idea. Remember 5 marks problems are ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ? Right, let me look at these two problems. Another very important type of problems. Very important type of problems here. Another check mana. Here this first problem. So what is given to you? Put to the function is now y is equal to 500 e to the power of 7x plus 600 e to the power of minus 7x. This is the given problem. I want to prove that the successive differentiation, the second order derivative should be equal to 49 times of y. I'll problem solve the problem. Tumba sulabha simplification ಮಾಡಿ. If you differentiate the function with respect to x, so what will be your divided by dx is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ? Keep 500 as it is. ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. e to the power of 7x ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 e to the power of 7x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ keep this 600 as it is. What is differentiation of e to the power of minus 7x? Minus 7 e to the power of minus 7x ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Of course, I'll write one more stage. 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಲೆಟರ್. 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ? ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 500 e to the power of 7x plus into minus minus 600 e to the power of minus 7x is the remaining term. Differentiating again with respect to x. Innocently differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. Your d square y by dx square is equal to 7, keep that as it is. 500 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ What is e to the power of 7x differentiation? 7 e to the power of 7x minus of 600. Keep that as it is. ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. e to the power of minus 7x ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ minus 7 e to the power of minus 7x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 7 as a common factor. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 7 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 7 ಇದೆ, ಅವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. d square y by dx square is equal to one of the 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 7 into 7 is 49. What is the remainder now? 500 e to the power of 7x. 500 e to the power of 7x. Minus into minus plus 600 e to the power of minus 7x is the remainder now. Look at the given problem. 500 e to the power of 7x. 600 e to the power of 7x. This is nothing but the value of y. Adu y agiruttade. Replace that and you will get the final answer. Definitely your d square y by dx square should be equal to 49 times of 5. This is the final answer, right? ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾನು 500 ಕೆಲವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ 7 ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 49 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. Shall we look for one? The last problem of this session. Look at this given problem, right? What is the problem ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ? y is equal to sin inverse of x. Differentiating the function with respect to x. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. So what is y differentiation? Is dy by dx is equal to, what is the difference of sin inverse of x? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Got it? So just cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. Therefore root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx should be is equal to 1. First differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Shall I differentiate this function again with respect to x? Again with respect to x. Now ಇದು first function, ಇದು second function. First function root of 1 minus x square as it is equal into differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square, correct? Plus second function dy by dx will be kept as it is into differentiation of root of 1 minus x square. Clearly should be equal to 1 divided by 2 root of 1 minus x square into differentiation of 1 minus x square. 1 is 0 minus 2x minus hangಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ x square by 2x ಇರುತ್ತೆ equals, what is your RHS now? What is differentiation of 1? Is 0. One of the two cancel. Okay, then let me to multiply both the equation LHS RHS ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸಹ root of 1 minus x square ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ? root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. root of 1 minus x square whole square ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. Write that root of 1 minus x square whole square into d square y by dx square plus into minus minus x first ಬರೀರಿ, multiplying by root of 1 minus x square ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, divided by root of 1 minus x square ಇರುತ್ತದೆ into dy by dx. Of course root of 1 minus x square into 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? I am multiplying each term of the equation by root of 1 minus x square. Now x square root cancel, it cancel. Then calculate the remaining equation. ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? root of 1 minus x square root square cancel ಆಗೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 minus x square ಹೋಗಿದೆ into d square y by dx square. Got it? minus x. It cancels out dy by dx is equal to 0. That's all. The required equation is obtained. Equation. Simple problem, right? I repeat this problem. This problem important ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ. Look at the problem now. Y is equal to sin inverse of x. Differential of sin inverse of x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. And cross multiplying that. Use u into v again. First function into differentiation of second plus second function. Differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root into differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. 2 cancel out. Then multiply all the three terms by root of 1 minus x square and obtain the final equation. That's all, right? So like we to continue few more problems in the next session. So this problem ಮತ್ತೆ next session ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ problem ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can expect the questions as a very important procedure now. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Keep these things with your mind now.